Hey everybody, what's up? I'm here doing something different from my normal videos. Today I'm doing a tutorial on how to set up your environment for modding Minecraft, specifically version 1.6.2. And I'm making this because there aren't many video tutorials out there on how to do this, and because teaching helps me learn, to be frank. I'm learning how to mod this version of Minecraft at the same time, and teaching this will help me learn it even better. This tutorial I don't really need to learn, but it's good to start with the basics. So this tutorial specifically is focusing on setting up what you need to begin modifying the Minecraft code. Now there are a few prerequisites you need. The number one being the Java JDK and setting up your environment variable paths. The Java JDK you can just Google to download. I'm not going to be covering how to get it because you should know how to get it if you don't already have it. And the same with the environment variable paths. They're really easy to set up. You just need to look around a little bit online, maybe look up a tutorial on how to get the Java JDK, and you'll be fine. And secondly, the second prerequisite is knowing how to code Java. These tutorials are teaching you how to modify Minecraft code, not how to code Java. I'm not going to be explaining my code beyond basic things so that you get the concepts of what we're doing in Minecraft, not the concepts of Java. If you want to learn Java, I'm sorry, but this is not the place. There are tons of videos, tons of books on how to learn Java, so I recommend picking up a few of those if you want to know Java. I personally started with the New Boston, and he helped a lot. I wouldn't call his tutorials conclusive of Java at all, but he helped a lot. So maybe you could start with him for beginner stuff and then go on to reading tutorials or something. But with the prerequisites out of the way, let's jump in. First of all, you're going to need to download two things. One is Eclipse. Eclipse is an IDE. You can also use NetBeans, but I prefer Eclipse, so that's what I'm going to be focusing on. You want to go to this link right here. It's going to be in the description. Find Eclipse Standard, and there's going to be a version. This is 4.3 right now. It could change in the future. And then you're going to want to click the version you need for your computer. I have 64-bit Windows, so I would click this, and then click the server I want to download right here. And that's going to download it in a zip file, which is right here. Next, you're going to need Minecraft Forge. Just go to this link, which will also be in the description. Now, you want to get recommended 1.6.2. There are newer versions of 1.6.2, but those are like beta versions. They're not recommended for a reason. So, seeing as you guys and sort of me are beginners, we don't want to mess with these right now. And of course, we don't want to get any of these. Those won't help. So just go ahead and click the SRC button, and that will download a zip file, which is right here. You'll want to extract both of these, and you'll get two folders. Now, starting off, what you'll want to do is go into the Eclipse folder and run it. This is going to run Eclipse, obviously, and it's going to ask you where you want your workplace to be. Now, to find your workplace, you'll want to go to the Minecraft Forge folder, click on Forge, click on MCP, and click on Eclipse. This is where you want to set your workplace to. If you were using a different compiler, you would not use Eclipse. You would not use the Eclipse folder. You want to go up here, click on this, copy it. Normally I'd press Control-C, but I want you guys to see, so copy it. Then go in here, and mine's already set up to this because I've been playing around with this, but you guys won't be. It'll be set up to like users, your username, documents, or something, but that's irrelevant. Just click Paste, and there you go. Click OK. Now Eclipse is going to start setting up a bit, and it's going to load everything. It's going to load in all the stuff from Forge, which is very important. Forge is going to include a complete version of Minecraft, so you don't even have to worry about setting up Minecraft to work with this. All you have to do is set your workspace to Forge, and it does everything for you. So see, I've already got some stuff in here, but you can ignore this. We're just going to focus on the Project Explorer. So see, it's going to start with a Minecraft folder like this. You can go ahead and expand that, and then expand SRC, and you have access to all of the Minecraft and Minecraft Forge packages. Now, to give you an idea of what these are, let's look at the block one right here, net.minecraft.block. We'll open it, and we'll see a ton of block files. What we want to focus on is just block.java. Double-click that to open it. We get a class file. And this class file basically defines every block in Minecraft, the parameters for them. See, this is a sapling, there's planks, there's cobblestone, dirt. So it just defines blocks, pretty simple, but very useful, because you can use this and you can modify them or copy the parameters and use them in another block. So very useful. There's also an item one, which I'm not going to show, but it shows items like diamonds, pickaxes, stuff like that instead of blocks. So that's that. Now, see, I've already got a few extra classes in here. I'm going to go ahead and close out of these. That's because I've been playing with Eclipse, and that's why I've got these two right here. Those are ones I added, but everything else is just like yours. Now, to launch Minecraft, you're just going to want to, if you want to launch Minecraft to test your mods, or just to make sure that debug mode is working properly, you just want to go up here and click Run. Now, since I'm recording, this might take a minute to launch, so we're just going to give it a minute. But there goes the console, and it's launching Wrap Minecraft. See, like I said, it's going to take a minute. Normally it loads quite a bit faster in debug mode. I actually had debug mode running at about 2400 FPS the other night, which I thought was crazy. Like, I was like, wow. But since I'm recording, it's going to be quite a bit slower, and especially since the screen recorder isn't designed for recording 3D games. It is hanging a bit right now, but it should be fine. It looks like this is still going. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so right away you'll notice something different. It'll say Minecraft 1.6.2 down here, all your forge stuff, and it'll say however many mods loaded and however many mods active you have. That's how you know you're in debug mode. Now I'm going to go ahead and load up one of my testing worlds, which I already have a few created items and blocks in, just so you guys can see how this works. So see, you launch into debug mode, and it's just like normal Minecraft, except see, I have these generic things. Those are things I created. I also have recipes which I created. I made it so dirt creates my generic ore block, so I could test it easier without having to make anything complex to spawn it in. So that's that. That's basically it for now. You can, of course, there's more complex things you can do than blocks and items, but we're not covering those for now. So that shows you how to launch Minecraft, and I think that's pretty much it for this tutorial. We've got our environment set up, and everything's working good. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments below, because I will be sure to help you guys if I can. Let me know give me a like, or let me know if you want to see more, because I like teaching, because it really helps me learn. So if you guys want to see more tutorials, I'll definitely be putting them out there. Stuff more advanced than just setting up your environment, for example. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know below, and I will see you guys hopefully in the next episode of this series.